We got this 57 Bel Air that we're doing. We got straight bare metal. When I started fixing some of this metal work and doing everything, as you can see, we already started installing the suspension. Beefed up suspension here, all chromed out. You can see how much thickness this has. This is going to be a lowrider, so this car is going to be hopping. So you can see how much it has. Started getting everything installed, so you can see the bottom of the frame is starting to get intact, so there's no movement. You can see all the support beams here, so there's no flexing because this is a convertible, so you can totally see it right there. And then you see that the whole frame is molded and done correctly. Got a lot of things for this car. Go on this side. You can see we already started to oil it up, so that way when it goes, you can see the flex. Definitely need to start adding more stuff to everything. Start putting it together. Because everything that needs to be done. All this needs to be all finished and intact. You can see that the gaps are starting to be aligned. This will get fixed for sure when we start moving the car. But with the lowrider, you definitely need a little bit of gap, so there's, you know, the door is not hitting the back end and hitting this. So enough gap so it doesn't flex and the door hit, but good enough gap so it can be clean and look good for the shows and for the streets. Most of the cars we build are for shows and streets. These guys do utilize it for the streets, but even you can see here, this is still gonna fix this, but you can tell that from down here we're fixing everything already. And then once everything gets fixed, this whole door will be more aligned. You see the gaps on this side too as well. Enough gaps so that it could be good, so when it does hop, nothing's hitting. And just more support. I mean, obviously this car is nowhere near being done, but it is getting fixed. Currently it's probably going to be a 3 to 6 month process for this car to be done, fully done. So keep on subscribe, and keep on watching for this 57 convertible build.